It's cold and it's trying to snow, so let's make some pozole.
Cut the stems and take all the seeds out of the center of 5 guajillo chilies. Do the same thing to an ancho chili. I only used one because this was a really big one, but if they're smaller, use 2. These are arbol chilies, and I only used 4 of them. This is where your spice comes from, so be careful. And I leave the seeds in those. Put all your chilies in boiling water until they get soft and pliable again. And I used about a quarter of a white onion. You're going to put your Instant Pot onto the saute mode, and you're going to take your country style ribs and you're going to saute all sides. Put a little bit of oil in the bottom of it so that it doesn't stick. Season your pork with garlic powder, onion powder, and chicken nor and black pepper. With an Instant Pot and the recipes for them, you want to season until you think you've seasoned too much, because using the Instant Pot will definitely get rid of some of your flavor. Take all of your chilies out of the water with a piece of onion and throw it into a blender, and then take about 2 cups of the water that you boiled your chilies in and put it in the blender too. You're going to season your sauce as well with the same powders, your garlic powder, onion powder, chicken nor, and black pepper. I didn't have any actual garlic cloves, so I used minced garlic and I used about 2 tablespoons. If you have a metal strainer, then definitely use that, but I don't, so I use cheesecloth. And actually, after I strained this the first time, I didn't record it, but I actually double strained it and I doubled my cheesecloth over because the holes weren't small enough. So I did it twice to get all of the chilies that didn't blend out of your sauce so your sauce is smooth. I also didn't measure my water, but I think it was about 5 cups. I set my pot on the stew setting and I did it for 50 minutes. Now you're going to drain 2 cans of white hominy and you're going to rinse it off really, really well with cold water. After you rinse all your hominy, then add it to your Instapot. I cut some of the meat into smaller chunks at this point. You don't have to, but I like to. I set my Instapot on soup mode with high pressure and I put it on for about 30 minutes. And now this is all preference. I only like radishes in mine, but normally I know a lot of people use cabbage, but it's up to you.